Hi, it's me, Nikki, and I am here today with a real quick Walmart haul with just the cleaning supplies that I've gotten for the month that we've just kind of run out of everything kind of all at once. So I got some dish soap, and the kids needed a scrubber for their toilet, so I got that. We've been having some ants, so I'm going to get rid of them. I got two Mr. Clean magic erasers, one for the bathroom, one for the kitchen. I got some new plastic gloves. I got a big thing of sponges and SOS pads. I got the cleaner with bleach, the Pine Sol. I got some Scrub and Bubbles. I got some laundry soap and the fireworks. And then I got two big boxes of garbage bags. So that's everything that I got. I spent $45. And that's it. So have a super great day. Hope you're getting a lot of cleaning done this week. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below. And I will talk to you later. Bye.